how to enable or disable the emergency brake on Mitsubishi Outlander. So if you would like to use this feature, you need to go to your dashboard behind the steering wheel, but let me show you how to navigate this dashboard. You need to use those arrows, right and left, and you also need to use the OK button. If you use the OK button just by pressing, you will confirm options, and you can also scroll down this OK button to choose different options. Alright, so now let's go to the dashboard behind the steering wheel. As you can see, this is the dashboard. So now let's use those arrows to open the settings. Here I have settings, press OK to confirm it. Now from the following list of settings, let's select the second option, which is the driver assistance. From driver assistance, you need to scroll down until you see the emergency brake. Let's press the emergency brake. So this menu lets you enable or disable the emergency brake, also known as forward collision mitigation. It handles the radar sensor that can scan the road ahead for sudden braking cars, pedestrians or obstacles. And you can customize if you would like to use the front sensor or the rear sensors. I like to use both, to be honest, so let me leave it enabled. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.